Let's come to the third neuron type, which is motor neuron. As the name indicate, is motor. So we know that when motor is working, it means something is working very quickly. If you talk about the structure of motor neurons, they are also multipolar, means that they have multiple branches coming out of the dendrites. They have one single long axon, while multiple dendrites and a cell body, the typical structure of a neuron. They contains a cell body in the central nervous system. It means that in brain or in spinal cord, the cell body is present, and their axon, they are extended into the muscles, glands or axon terminal, so that they can control the movement of muscles or glands or target cells. Their function is to carry the signals from the central nervous system to the muscles or the glands so that they can initiate the response. For example, like we said, that person has accidentally touched fire. It means that the hand needs to be moved away from the fire. So in this case, the signals which were taken from the sensory neurons to the central nervous system has been processed by the interneuron, and interneuron send the signals to the motor neurons that call the muscles to withdraw. So the motor neurons going to take the signals to the muscles and going to ask the muscles to withdraw, and in this way you are going to push your hand away from the fire. If you talk about the examples of motor neurons, we have somatic motor neurons which control voluntary movements. The voluntary movements are the movements which are controlled consciously or done by yourself when you are thinking. For example, grabbing a pen, writing on the notebook, sitting, standing, walking, all these movements are voluntary and they are controlled by somatic motor neurons because they are involved with the skeleton muscles. The other type of motor neuron is autonomic motor neurons. The autonomic, like the name indicates, that it's going to be automatic. They control the involuntary movements, the movements which are not controlled by you, or unconscious movements. For example, heart rate, digestion, all these movements, they are controlled by motor neurons, which are autonomic motor neurons.